In this episode, you will see how the process of plastic thermoforming looks like. Thermoforming is a technological process used to manufacture various plastic components. It consists in heating a thermoplastic sheet to a specific temperature, and then forming it to obtain the required shape. The advantages of this technology include fast manufacturing of prototypes, lower costs of mold production, and, first of all, easy execution of even the most demanding designer visions. To take a closer look at this process, we are going to visit the company Maxform in Kolnik. Bearing in mind environmental aspects and solidarity between generations, care for the natural environment is of importance for us. 30% of our energy demand is covered from renewable energy sources, while 100% of production waste is recycled and reused in the production process. The design development is the first step in the order performance process. A detailed 3D model of a given item is developed on the computer, and then simulations of machining processes are performed. The raw material used for production are ABS, PVC, PET, or polycarbonate panels, as well as biodegradable plastics, e.g. polyactide. With our machine pool, we can manufacture large-size and large-series products. We use large-size thermoforming to manufacture covers for agricultural machines, housings for medical devices, heating equipment, and for other sectors. Large-series thermoforming is used when we need to obtain a relatively low price for a large volume. This is the method applied for manufacturing, e.g. transport trays for automotive industry or blister packs, and products for other industries. Now we are going to see how a large-size cover for an agricultural machine is manufactured. First, the panel is transferred to the forming area, where it is heated to the required temperature. The mold moves out, is immersed in the plastic material, and the suction system pulls the material. After cooling, the mold is retracted and the component can be taken out. Now it undergoes machining on a 3- or 5-axial machine. The process is similar for housings for medical devices. After all these processes, the quality control is conducted. In the case of medical devices, it is performed in sterile conditions to prevent accumulation of contaminants. Here we can see how components' appearance and dimensions are verified. Apart from large components, Maxform also manufactures large series components, like, for example, packaging for food products. The process is conducted on automated lines, where the plastic film passes successively through the forming, die cutting, and stacking stations. First, the roll with the plastic film is installed, and the film passes through the heating section. Then, it is transferred to the forming station, where components are formed, and then die cut on the die cutting station. The finished components are transferred to the packing station on a conveyor. This line has a capacity reaching even 60 cycles per minute. Remains of the materials, such as ABS and PVC, are reused. They are transferred to a mill and then used to produce new panels. Some of the ground waste is fed into an extruder, in which sections are manufactured from the granulate, like the C-section shown here, used in racks. And how does the extruder work? First, the granulate is fed into the hopper. In the heating section, it is melted to form uniform mass, and the head gives it a desired shape. Maxform has been present in the market since 2009. Products from this company are delivered to customers all over the world, from many different sectors, including automotive, construction, or advertising. Maxform designs, manufactures, and distributes, and in doing this, it can proudly state that as much as 70% of its production materials come from recycling processing.